Hi everyone, today I'm going to show how to make school labels using the Cricut Joy, and for that we need Cricut Joy mat, deluxe paper and some gel pens. So many doesn't know what we can do with these deluxe papers. There are a number of possibilities using this deluxe paper. So today I am going to use this as a school label. So in this pack we have multiple variants and some plain sheets as well. I will choose the plain color for making the school labels. I chosen this color because it matches with the uniform of the child. So let's open the Cricut design space and type the name of the label. So once it's open, first I will choose my machine. Earlier it was Maker 3, now I changed it to Joy. Then you have to press that plus icon for a new project. Just replace with the old project, and with that plus icon text you can type whatever text you needs to be printed on the sheet. Just type any name which you want to attach in the school label with the subject or class, anything. It's totally customizable. So after that I will just choose the font. We have n number of fonts in Cricut Access. Let's choose whatever font you want to be printed. So and change the style as writing, so we can write with the Cricut pen. So I chosen the writing as a style, and I'm choosing the font. So I have chosen something as a cursive as well as italic, and resized to the smaller size because these stickers will be sticked on the note. So I want a smaller size. So once the size is fixed, you have to choose the pen as an extra gel. So I'm going to use a gel pen. You can use any Cricut pen for according to your font or style. Once the text has been added, I am adding one square shape. So label will cut in this square shape with the name written on top of it. Choose the square and send that square to back, arrange it to the back. Now you can see the text is on top of the square. You can choose just for your difference, you can choose any color or let it be. I am again resizing to the label size. And we need to attach this so that square and text all will be on same, or it will get splitted into two different mats. So once that both the elements has been attached, we are ready to make it. Click make it, save project. It's school label or any text if you want. It will prompt for the mat to be chosen. I'm choosing the long mat, and I want a little bit bigger in size. I'm choosing the mat. In the project settings, if you see the number of copies, so project copies I'm going to give 10. So the same label will get printed 10 times. It will be auto adjusted by Cricut. Now it will prompt to select a accessory. So once you switch on the machine, it will prompt the machine name here. Just choose that machine name. It's loading, it's trying to connect. Once it got connected, it will show the list of materials. So the material which today we are using is the deluxe paper. You can, if you have doubt, you can see on the packaging of the material, deluxe paper. So that material I will choose on that list. All materials, deluxe paper adhesive backed, that one I have chosen. And it's asking to load the black pen. So first we will load the pen. I will use the blue color pen. Once you open, it's a gel pen 1.0 tip. Just remove the blade and insert in the pen into the clutch and close the clutch. That's it. Once you inserted, after inserting the blade, now I am going to paste the deluxe paper on top of the mat. Just stick on the top of the longer mat and insert the mat into the machine slowly. It will start to measure the mat size since we have chosen it as a longer mat. So after it measures, it will prompt to give go. Okay, now the system is preparing and started drawing. So drawing means it will start writing in the label. I will just fast forward on the writing part. Once the writing is done, it will prompt to insert the blade. Just remove the pen and again insert the pen into the machine and save it. And again click go. It will start cutting. The text has been written. Now it will cut that square part of the label. After the cutting is done, the machine will push out the mat. Don't pull out the mat without giving unload material. I will give OK. Now it will completely push out the mat from the machine. Yeah, now the label has been done. The cuts are very clean, covering all the text. I will show how to remove that from the label. You can take the deluxe paper out of the mat or just let it be on the mat. Use the weeder tool just to pull out the label. It's very sticky and strong. Definitely it will help my kit. You can see it's totally looking like a handwritten label. Thank you.